Okay, hi, and welcome back. Attorney Steve Vondran here, civil litigation attorney, and we are talking in this video about J&J Sports Production. So this has to do with those boxing matches that you're showing at your sports bar, your tavern, barbershop, pizza joint, wherever basically you would want to show a fight. Usually a lot of guys around, not to say women don't enjoy it as well, but the question I get from some people that call our firm and want to retain us is, does this law firm, I've received a demand letter from a law firm and they want, 20, 30, 40 grand, are they going to file a lawsuit, or is this just a demand letter? So I'm going to come in here into our Federal Pacer case locator, and this is a really nifty tool that I use a lot. In here you can find all the federal court filings. This is your appellate cases, U.S. Court of Appeals, your bankruptcy filings. You can check out your friends, see if they filed bankruptcy, your civil cases, that's where I'm going, and your criminal cases. And some people ask me, well, is it a crime to intercept these boxing matches and play them in my bar? And yes, there is a criminal and civil component to the laws, but usually these are limited to a civil matter, and our firm helps clients get these cases settled. So let's go in here and take a look at J&J Sports Production, and you type them in your search bar there, and let's take a quick search. Let's see. Oh boy, looks like there's a lot of cases here. So you can see this is our 2017 update. And usually what I do is I come here to the date filed, and so that goes in reverse order. So I just go to the most recent and see what's going on. Now over here you can see the PLA. Do you see the PLA? That stands for plaintiff. That means they're the plaintiff in the action. Here's the courts where they're filing it. That's New York. You can come down here. Let's see, that's Nevada. That is looks like Georgia. So there's a lot of cases, but now you have to scroll over the case number as well and see that's J&J Sports, and it could be other things, but usually it's in regards to their boxing matches. So you can see here, just in the month of July, coming down here, there's a bunch of suits just in July. That's about what, 25 suits in July, and if you scroll down a little bit more and go back, you can see there's a whole bunch in June. So they are filing a lot of lawsuits. Down here, what else do we have? It looks like, I think that's Idaho, so forth and so on. I know they're filing suits as well in California and Texas. So, but that'll give you just a list. So the short answer is yes, they will file lawsuits. You can come here if you want to click on the case, and as you go to the history and the documents, run the query, and then you can come right here and see the complaint. You can just hit on that, and it's usually right there. There sometimes is an exhibit attached, so I click on that. Come over here. Don't know what that's all about. But anyway, so you can come in and take a look at this. It looks like a coffee shop of some sort. So, but yeah, you can get in and read the complaint and see what they're looking for. If you scroll down, you can see they're looking for, usually here's what you have is your violation of the 47 U.S.C. 605. That's count 2. So if I go back up, count 1, violation 47 U.S.C. 605. So that's 605, and if I go down, there's the 47 U.S.C. These are different sections of section 605, and then there's 553. That's the other one you normally see. So you can come down and you can see what they're alleging and what their beef is, so to speak, and what they're looking for as far as their remedies. And oftentimes you will see these lawsuits asking for over $100,000 in damages. So these are serious cases. We can help you get these settled. And we do help clients across the United States, subject to the local rules of admission. But normally we try to get these cases settled so we're not litigating for 2 years and potentially risking paying attorney fees on these cases. So if you need some help, give us a call. You can find us on the web at attorneysteve.com. That's attorneysteve.com. Our phone number's there. And call us for a free initial consultation. We're happy to talk to you about your rights and what happens if you don't respond, and so forth and so on. Okay? Attorney Steve out. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and feel free to share this video on your social media networks. Take care.